Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to start half-yearly syllabus of class 8 maths, chapter 3, square cubes and their roots. And this is part 4 video. Student, today's topic is exercise 3.2 remaining part and exercise 3.3 some questions. So today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2 remaining part and exercise 3.3 some questions. Okay? Yes, student. Question number 5. Exercise 3.2. The area of a square is 841 meter square. Find the length of the side of the square. So given that here area of a square 841. So area of a square formula side into side equal to, when we solve this, 841 29 29 ja 841 29 1 ja 29. So we can write 841 equal to 29 into 29 meter square. So side into side we write like that, side square equal to 29 into 29, we can write 29 meter square. So square cut, side equal to 29 meter. So the length of the side of the square is 29 meter. Okay. Yes, student. Next question. Question number 7. One number is 25 times the other number. The product of number is 900. Find the number. So student, let the other number be x. Then one number is 25 times of other number. 25 into x, that is 25x. One number is x, other number is x, then one number is 25x. Now, according to question, product of one number and other number equal to 900, it is given. So, one number is 25x, other number is x. 25x into x equal to 900. 25x into x, x square. 25x square, 900. X square, this is multiply 25, so this side divide 25. 900 divide 25 becomes 36. X square, 6 into 6, 36. X square, 6 square cancel. X equal to 6. So the required number be 6. Student, last question of exercise 3.2. Question number 9. Find the smallest number that can be completely divided by 12, 16 and 18. Find the square root of the number of 10. So student, firstly we have to find LCM of 12, 16, 18. Here we solve 12, 16, 18. 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 9. 2 3, 2 2 ja 4, 9. 2 3, 2 1 ja 2, 9. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So it becomes 144. So the required number is 144. This is the first answer. Next, we have to find the square root of this number. So square root of 144 equal to root under 144 equal to 144 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we write like that. Now we have to make pair here. So 2 multiply 3. It becomes 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12. 12 is the square root of 144. This is the second answer. Yes, student. Starting exercise 3.3, find the square root of the following numbers using long division method. This is first question A part, 9604. So student, we have to learn how we solve these, how we find the square root by long division method. So student, make 9604 as a dividend. So we write like that, 9604. Okay, this is, we write 9604 as dividend. Now make pair of digits starting from the right. We have to make pair. See here, this is pair. Starting from right side, this is also pair. So we have two pair. Okay. Now consider the first pair on the left, that is 96. This is left side pair and this is right side pair. So we have to consider the left side pair, which is 96. Select a divisor whose square is less than 96 or closer to 96. So 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81. So 9 is the closure, na? 9 into 9, 9 is square. So 9 9 ja 81 minus, when we minus subtract it, 6 minus this is 15. Okay. Now see here, we have considered first pair on the left, that is 96. Then select a divisor 9. Select a divisor whose square is less than 96. So here we see, and the Q part is 9 and remainder is 15. Now what you do? You have simply plus it, 9 plus 9, that is 18. Okay, now bring down the next pair. Next pair is 04. So we bring down and the next pair and write it on the right of remainder 05. So this is 04. Okay, now which number you have to take in here, so that their square product of that number becomes 1504. 1504. So we have to check here, 188. 8 8 ja 64. So when we multiply this, it becomes 1504. So clearly we have to take 8. So square of here also 8 and it becomes 1504 when we subtract it. Okay, so our final answer is root under 9604 equal to what? 98. Okay student, so in this way you have to solve long division method. Yes student, see one more part, C part, 36864. We have to find out a square root of this number. So first we write here this number as dividend, 36864. Now we have to make pair from right side. 64 one pair, 68 one pair, and 3 is single. Now consider the first pair on the left, that is 3. So which number square is closer to 3 or less than 3? That number is 1. So a square of 1, 1 into 1. Here we write 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now we have bring down that pair, 68. So it becomes 268. Now 9. When we write here 9 into 9, it becomes 261. That number is closer to 268. Subtract this number, 7. Now bring down that pair, last pair, 64. So it numbers becomes 764. Now 3 8 29 plus 9 38 and 2. When we take 2 square, 2 into 2 4, 2 8 is 16, 1 3 2 is 617. So Root under 36864 becomes 192. Yes, students, see one more question. E part 783225. First we write this number here. Now make pair from a digit starting from the right side. So one pair, this is 25, 32 one pair, and last pair 78. Now consider the first pair on the left, that is 78. So we have to select a divisor whose square is less than 78 or closer to 78. That number is 8 square. 8 into 8. We write here 8 also, 64. 78 minus 64, 14. Now 8 plus 8, 16. And we bring down the next pair, that is 32 here. Just write off remainder 14. So this number becomes 1432. Now we have to take 8 here and 8 square, multiply here, write here 8 into 8, it becomes 1344. Subtract this number, it becomes 88. Now bring down the last pair, that is 25. 168 plus 8 becomes 176. Here you see last digit is 25, so we take here 5. So 5 into 5, we multiply 1765, multiply 5. It becomes 8825. This is remainder is 0. So root under 783225 becomes 885. Yes, students, see one more part, G part 1024144. So first we write this number here, 1024144. Now we have to make pair of digits starting from the right. 44, 41, 0 to 1. Now you have to consider the first pair. First pair is 1. So we have to select a divisor whose square is less than 1 or closer to 1, that is 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 cancel. Now 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Now bring down the next pair. Next pair is 0, 2. We write here 0, 2. So you look here, this number is 2. When we take here 1, so it becomes 21 into 1. 21, but here number is 2. So we put here 0, 0. Take one more pair down. So now the number becomes 241. And here we take if 1, so 201 into 1, it becomes 201. So 241 minus 21, it becomes 40. Now bring down this last pair down. So number becomes 4044. Now 202 is here. Last digit is 4, so you have to take here 2. 2 into 2. So 2022 multiply 2 becomes 4044. And remainder is 0. So under root 1024144 becomes 1012. Yes, student. Next question. Question number 2. Find the square root of the following numbers up to 2-3 decimal places. We have 55 numbers here. Number is 55. We have to find out 2 and 3 places of decimal. So we write here 55. And since this is 3 places, so we have to put here 4 pairs of 0 after decimal. So look here, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, like that. So we put here 4 decimal places. Now here we see we have write this number as a dividend and make here 4 pairs, so that we find out 3 decimal places. Now consider the first pair, that is 55. So select a divisor whose square is 55, less than 55 or closer to 55. That number is 7. 7 into 7. We write here 7 also, 49. 55 minus 49, 6. Now bring down that pair 0, 0. So it becomes 600. 7 plus 7, 14. Now 4. We write here 4. So we 4 multiply 4. It becomes 576. 600 minus 576, 24. Now we bring down that pair. 0, 0. So it becomes 2400. 144 plus 4 become 148. And we taken here 1. 1 into 1. 1481 multiply 1. So it becomes 1481. Now we write here 1 also. Now we add 1481 plus 1, 1482. And here when we subtract 2400 minus 1481, it becomes 919. Bring down that pair of 0, 0, 0. So it becomes 91900. So we put here 6, then multiply 6. So 14826 multiply 6 become 88956. When we subtract this number, it becomes 2944. And when we add 14826 plus 6, it becomes 14832. Now we bring down that pair, last pair, 0, 0, and we have to take 1, because if we take 2, then it is greater than that number. So 1, 1, 148321 multiply 1. So it becomes 148321. And when we subtract, it becomes 146079. So we find out 4 places of decimal. Now root 55, we have to find out 2 places decimal. So we write here 3 places, 7.416. Okay, so student, look here, third places is more than 5 or more than 5. So we add here 1. So number becomes 7.42. So this is up to 2 places of decimal. Now we have to find out 3 places of decimal, root 55. So we have to take 4 places, 7.4161. Here you see 4 places is less than 5, that is 1. So we simply remove this one. So answer is 7.416 up to 3 decimal places. Like that you can solve the remaining parts. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.